So I actually just recently heard about this, and I'm really excited about it. I was told it had pretty much almost every weld test there is in there, and there's a little job list in there for contacts, which will be very helpful, especially once I graduate the program.
You know, it's got almost every weld test you're going to take for a lot of contractors out there, as far as what you're going to be looking for as far as pipe size, you know, thickness, fit up, how to prep it, you know, different little tips and tricks.
Knowing what to set my heat on, you know, knowing what to put my gap on, just different like walking the cup techniques, lay wire techniques. It would have really helped out and all. Just giving me some good reference points and everything to kind of a guideline to go by and follow by and everything. So I believe it would have helped me out pretty good.
No, I'm excited to get one. Definitely will be.